We're going to speak English.
¿Por qué?
You know you can. All right? Okay, so I'm just going to ask you a question. Okay, what was your hardest class this year?
¿Qué les digo?
I need you to tell me in English.
Why?
Come on, you can do it. Just tell me, what was your hardest class?
No sé cómo se dice conocer.
It's okay. Just say it in English and the word you don't know, put it in Spanish.
I have friends.
Mm-hmm.
This room is cool.
And this room is cool. Nice.
Yeah.
But which is your class, when you look at your class, math, English, Spanish, which one was the most difficult, the one that was hardest?
Spanish.
Spanish, why? Too many jobs. Oh, I see. Which one was easiest? English, why? Okay, well, you can say that in English. You speak English in ELD all the time, and you speak it very nicely. Okay, so tell me about your family in English. Yeah, who do you live with? Uh-huh.
Okay, eso sí ya no lo entendí.
Come on, who do you live with? Who is in your house?
My dad, my sister, my uncle.
Mm-hmm. Do you live, where do you live? You live in the park? Yeah. What town do you live in? Yo sé lo que estás haciendo. If I tell you what town do you live in, Mexican food, you think that's the right answer? You're only making this harder for you. Because you really need, you can't be in a class that you don't need. And the only reason, and I told you already, the only reason why I need you to move up is because you're wasting your time. You're just wasting your time. You already know the things that we're learning in ELD1. Do you really want to graduate high school? You don't want to graduate high school? What do you want to do? You're going to go work with a job with your dad. Okay. And maybe. You don't know? Why you don't like school? So. What do you like about school? Mm-hmm.
Talking for you.
Mm-hmm.
Participating in the questions for the class.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. What do you not like? You don't like that, huh?
No.
I don't think anybody likes that. Yeah. Yeah. Do you have somebody at home who helps you? Your sister? Yeah. And she helps you with work? Yeah. Where's your mom? In Mexico.
I have the little sister.
Uh-huh. I see. I see. What is your dad working? Construction. Do you find it easier to understand English or to speak it? The two. Two. So understanding is easy?
Not really. The rest of the two.
Ah, okay. Okay. All right. But I want you to know that this is not about me not liking you or me not wanting you in my class. This is about what's doing best for you. This is what's best for you. Okay? Because you are very smart. You are very smart. And you need to continue to learn and to grow instead of listening to the same things over and over again. Okay? All right, sweetie. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, Miss.
All right.
I miss you.
I will miss you too. Have a good day.
Thank you. I miss you too, Miss Chia.
Here, come here. I have something for you.
Thank
Merry Christmas.
Oh, thank
From me
you.
and Miss Sanchez.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, sweetie.